At Taorong, through professional design and precision manufacturing, we endow every commercial space with unique order and style. From the grandeur of hotel lobbies to the comforting details of guest rooms, from the quiet elegance of high-end restaurants to the vibrant allure of bars and clubs. Every detail represents a precise grasp of comfort and quality. We make furniture more than just form. It becomes the language of space and brand. Quality manufacturing is the root and soul of Taorong. We strictly implement international environmental standards throughout the entire process, including F for stars, Japan JIS or JAS, CARB Phase 2, Americas, NE0, Europe and Middle East. Here, traditional craftsmanship walks hand in hand with intelligent technology. Century-old mortise and tenon structures combine with modern advanced equipment, allowing precision and art to coexist in every product. Every cut, every polish, every assembly undergoes strict testing to ensure reliability and consistency in project delivery. We believe true quality lies in details that stand the test of time. Taorong's factory strictly adheres to environmental, fire safety, and security standards, having passed multiple environmental assessments and compliance certifications. We guarantee the safety of every project and our employees through sustainable production methods. Furthermore, we provide ODM and OEM customization services, utilizing a flexible manufacturing system to meet the diverse needs of different markets and projects. From initial design requirements to manufacturing execution and on-site installation, Taorong provides customers with an integrated customization solution. We precisely match the differentiated needs of commercial spaces in different countries, with primary markets including Japan, the USA, the UK, Norway, Jordan, the UAE, and Saudi Arabia. Our global layout interprets the boundless transmission of quality. No matter where a project is located in the world, our team operates with efficient collaboration and precise execution as our service philosophy, ensuring every link from blueprint to completion is accurately controlled. Because we know that trust stems from adhering to every single detail. Taorong is not just a manufacturer. We are a trusted, high-quality partner for spatial solutions.